Want to open the door to endless opportunities? Let Python be your guide. First up, simplicity and readability. Python's clean and straightforward syntax makes it perfect for beginners. Easy to write, easy to understand. Next, versatility. Python's got range. Web development, data science, AI, automation, you name it, Python nails it. Then there's Python's treasure trove of libraries and frameworks. Whether it's Django for web apps, Pandas for data, or TensorFlow for machine learning, Python's got you covered. Real-world applications of Python are everywhere, like building websites with Django, crunching data with Pandas, creating AI models with TensorFlow, automating boring tasks, and even making games with Pygame. Python's future? Bright as ever. With continuous updates, high demand in industries, and integration with modern tech, Python is here to stay. So why wait? Start your Python journey today and unlock a world of possibilities. Happy coding! Welcome to Chapter 2, Advanced Python Techniques. Ready to take your Python skills to the next level? Let's dive in. First, let's explore list comprehensions. This powerful feature allows you to create new lists by applying an expression to each item in an existing list. It's concise, efficient, and perfect for transforming data. Next, we have decorators. These are special functions that modify the behavior of other functions or methods. Decorators are essential for logging, access control, and instrumentation. Then there's the magic of generators. Generators allow you to iterate over data without storing it all in memory, making your code more efficient and scalable. Use the keyword to create your own generators. Don't forget about context managers. They help manage resources like file streams and network connections, ensuring they are properly cleaned up after use. The statement is your friend here. Lastly, let's talk about asynchronous programming. With the AND keywords, you can write non-blocking code that handles multiple tasks concurrently. Perfect for I/O-bound and high-level structured network code. Mastering these advanced techniques will not only make your code more efficient and readable, but also prepare you for tackling complex projects. Keep pushing your limits and happy coding. Welcome to Chapter 3, Python for Data Science. Are you ready to unlock the true power of Python in the world of data? Let's get started. First, let's dive into data manipulation with Pandas. This library is a game changer for data analysis, providing data structures and functions needed to manipulate structured data seamlessly. With Pandas, you can clean, aggregate, and transform your data effortlessly. Next, we have NumPy, the cornerstone of numerical computing with Python. NumPy introduces support for large, multidimensional arrays and matrices, along with a collection of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. It's essential for any data science project. Let's not forget about data visualization. Libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn will help you create stunning visual representations of your data. Visualizations are crucial for identifying patterns, trends, and outliers, and they make your findings more digestible for others. Machine learning is a key aspect of data science, and Python has you covered with powerful libraries like scikit-learn. This library offers simple and efficient tools for predictive data analysis, making it easy to implement algorithms like regression, classification, and clustering. Finally, we have deep learning with TensorFlow and Keras. These libraries allow you to build and train neural networks, enabling you to tackle more complex tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and more. By mastering these libraries and tools, you'll be well equipped to handle any data science challenge that comes your way. So dive in, experiment, and turn your data into actionable insights. Happy coding and data crunching. Welcome to Chapter 4. Python in web development. Python isn't just for data science, it's also a powerhouse for building dynamic web applications. Let's explore how you can leverage Python in the world of web development. First up, we have Django, a high-level web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Django handles much of the hassle of web development, so you can focus on writing your app without needing to reinvent the wheel. With its built-in features like authentication, URL routing, template engine, and an ORM, Django simplifies the development process and lets you build robust applications quickly. Next, let's talk about Flask, a micro framework that's lightweight and easy to get started with. Flask provides the essentials to get your web app up and running while giving you the flexibility to choose your tools and libraries. It's perfect for small to medium-sized projects and for developers who prefer a more hands-on approach. For those interested in creating real-time web applications, Python has you covered with libraries like Tornado and FastAPI. Tornado is known for its ability to handle large numbers of simultaneous connections, making it ideal for applications that require long-lived network connections. FastAPI is a modern, fast, high-performance web framework for building APIs with Python 3.6+ based on standard Python type hints. It's designed to be easy to use while providing powerful features. Don't forget about web scraping. Beautiful Soup and Scrapy are two popular libraries that allow you to extract data from websites. Whether you're gathering data for a project or automating tasks, these tools make it easy to navigate and scrape web content. Finally, let's mention front-end integration. With tools like Ginger 2 for templating in Flask or Django's templating engine, you can seamlessly integrate your Python backend with front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, creating a full-stack web application. By mastering these frameworks and tools, you'll be able to build everything from simple websites to complex web applications. So get coding and bring your web development ideas to life with Python. Welcome to Chapter 5, Python for Automation. Python isn't just a versatile language for web development and data science. It's also a powerful tool for automating repetitive tasks and streamlining workflows. Let's dive into how you can harness Python to make your life easier. First, let's talk about automation scripts. Python's simplicity and readability make it an ideal choice for writing scripts that automate tedious tasks like file manipulation, data entry, and batch processing. With libraries like OS and Shradha, you can easily navigate the file system, create, move, and delete files and directories, and automate routine file management tasks. Next, we have web automation. Libraries like Selenium and Beautiful Soup enable you to automate web browsing, form submissions, and data extraction from websites. Whether you're scraping data, testing web applications, or automating online interactions, these tools can save you countless hours of manual work. Email automation is another powerful use case. With the SMTplib and email libraries, you can automate the sending and receiving of emails. Imagine being able to automatically send reports, notifications, or even marketing emails without lifting a finger. Python makes it easy to integrate email automation into your workflow. Let's not forget about task scheduling. The schedule library allows you to set up automated tasks to run at specific intervals, whether it's hourly, daily, or weekly. Combined with Python's ability to interact with APIs and databases, you can automate complex workflows that involve multiple steps and data sources. Python also shines in the realm of DevOps and system administration. Tools like Ansible and Fabric enable you to automate server management, deployment, and configuration tasks. By writing Python scripts, you can ensure consistency, reduce human error, and speed up your deployment processes. Finally, let's talk about GUI automation. Libraries like PyAutoGUI allow you to automate interactions with graphical user interfaces. From clicking buttons to typing text and taking screenshots, you can automate virtually any action you would normally perform manually on your computer. By mastering Python for automation, you'll be able to reclaim your time, boost your productivity, and focus on more important tasks. So start exploring these tools and libraries and let Python handle the repetitive work for you. Welcome to Chapter 6, Python Libraries You Should Know. Python's true power lies in its rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that extend its capabilities far beyond basic programming. In this chapter, we'll explore some essential Python libraries that every developer should be familiar with. First up, we have NumPy. NumPy is the cornerstone of numerical computing in Python. Its powerful array operations and mathematical functions make it a must-have for anyone working with numerical data. Whether you're performing linear algebra, statistical analysis, or complex mathematical computations, NumPy has got you covered. Next, let's talk about Pandas. Pandas is the go-to library for data manipulation and analysis. With its intuitive data frame structure, you can easily load, clean, transform, and visualize datasets. From handling missing data to merging datasets, Pandas simplifies the entire data analysis workflow. For data visualization, Matplotlib and Seaborn are your best friends. Matplotlib provides a comprehensive range of plotting functions to create static, animated and interactive visualizations. Seaborn, built on top of Matplotlib, offers beautiful statistical graphics and is perfect for exploring and understanding data distributions and relationships. Machine learning enthusiasts should definitely check out scikit-learn. This library offers a wide range of algorithms for classification, regression, clustering and more. With its simple and consistent API, scikit-learn makes it easy to build and evaluate machine learning models, even for beginners. For deep learning, TensorFlow and PyTorch are the leading libraries. TensorFlow, developed by Google, provides a flexible platform for building and deploying machine learning models. PyTorch, on the other hand, is known for its dynamic computation graph and ease of use, making it a favorite among researchers and developers. When it comes to web development, Flask and Django are the top contenders. Flask is a lightweight micro framework that's perfect for small to medium-sized applications. Django, a high-level framework, comes with a lot of built-in features and follows the batteries included philosophy, making it ideal for larger projects. For web scraping, Beautiful Soup and Scrapy are indispensable. Beautiful Soup is great for parsing HTML and XML documents, while Scrapy is a powerful framework for building web crawlers and extracting data from websites. Lastly, let's not forget about the utility libraries. Requests is the king of HTTP requests, making it easy to send GET and POST requests, handle cookies and manage sessions. Logging provides a flexible framework for adding log statements to your code, helping you debug and monitor your applications effectively. By familiarizing yourself with these essential Python libraries, you'll be well equipped to tackle a wide range of programming challenges. So, start exploring these libraries and unlock the full potential of Python. Welcome to Chapter 7, Python Best Practices. Writing clean, efficient and maintainable code is just as important as solving the problem at hand. In this chapter, we'll cover some essential best practices that every Python developer should follow to ensure their code is robust and professional. First, let's talk about code readability. Python's philosophy emphasizes readability with its clean and straightforward syntax. Follow the PEP8 style guide to ensure your code is easy to read and understand. This includes using proper indentation, naming conventions, and spacing. Remember, code is read more often than it's written, so make it as clear as possible for others and your future self. Next up, comments and documentation. While readable code is essential, sometimes complex logic requires additional explanation. Use comments to clarify your code's purpose and logic, but avoid over-commenting. For larger projects, consider using docstrings to provide a comprehensive explanation of your functions, classes, and modules. Error handling is another critical aspect of writing robust code. Use try-except blocks to catch and handle exceptions gracefully. This not only prevents your program from crashing, but also provides meaningful error messages that can help in debugging. Testing is an integral part of software development. Writing unit tests ensures that your code works as expected and helps catch bugs early. Use libraries like Unitest or PyTest to create and run your tests. Automated testing can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. Version control is essential for managing changes to your code base. Use Git to track changes, collaborate with others, and maintain a history of your project. Platforms like GitHub or GitLab make it easy to manage your repositories and collaborate with other developers. Keeping your dependencies up to date is crucial for maintaining the security and performance of your application. Use tools like pip and virtual environments to manage your dependencies effectively. Regularly update your packages and monitor for any security vulnerabilities. Lastly, code reviews are a valuable practice for improving code quality. Having another set of eyes on your code can help identify potential issues and provide valuable feedback. Encourage a culture of constructive code reviews within your team to continuously improve your code base. By following these best practices, you'll not only write better Python code, but also contribute to a more efficient and collaborative development process. So, always aim for clean, readable and maintainable code, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a proficient Python developer. Welcome to Chapter 8, Python Community and Resources. As you continue your journey in learning and mastering Python, it's important to remember that you're not alone. The Python community is vast, supportive, and full of resources to help you grow as a developer. First, let's talk about the Python Software Foundation, PSF. The PSF is a non-profit organization that promotes, protects, and advances the Python programming language. They organize events, fund projects, and support the community in various ways. By becoming a member, you can contribute to the growth of Python and stay updated with the latest developments. Next, online forums and discussion boards are invaluable resources for Python developers. Websites like Stack Overflow, Reddit's Learn Python, and the official Python mailing lists are great places to ask questions, share knowledge, and connect with other Python enthusiasts. Don't hesitate to participate and seek help when needed. There are also numerous online courses and tutorials available to enhance your Python skills. Platforms like Coursera, edX, Udemy, and Codecademy offer comprehensive courses ranging from beginner to advanced levels. Additionally, websites like Real Python and Python for Everybody provide free tutorials and articles to help you deepen your understanding. Meetups and conferences are another fantastic way to engage with the Python community. Events like PyCon, EuroPython and local Python meetups offer opportunities to learn from experts, network with peers, and stay inspired. These events often feature workshops, talks, and hackathons that can greatly enrich your learning experience. Books are a timeless resource for learning Python. Some highly recommended titles include Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by Al Swigart, Python Crash Course by Eric Mathis, and Fluent Python by Luciano Ramalho. These books cover a wide range of topics and are suitable for different skill levels. Open source projects are an excellent way to apply your Python skills and contribute to the community. Platforms like GitHub and GitLab host thousands of open source projects that welcome contributions from developers of all levels. Contributing to open source not only helps you practice coding, but also allows you to collaborate with others and build a portfolio. Lastly, social media and blogs are great for staying updated with the latest trends and news in the Python world. Follow influential Python developers and organizations on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium. Subscribe to newsletters like Python Weekly and PyCoders Weekly to receive curated content directly in your inbox. By actively engaging with the Python community and utilizing these resources, you'll continue to grow as a developer and stay motivated on your learning journey. Remember, the Python community is here to support you, so don't hesitate to reach out and get involved. Happy coding!